A custom clutch can start in your closet, on a clearance shelf, or even a thrift store. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'll show you how. It's always kind of neat when you can create something that no one else has, or even give something old a new look. I picked up this clutch on clearance and I've been holding on to it for a while, so I decided let me go ahead and add some beading to create something special. I have some old brooches, ordered a few inexpensive ones online. I'm going to combine them with some glass beads, other acrylic beads. Let's go ahead and get started.
Using a hot glue gun, add beads and brooches. Combine old and new pieces to craft a one-of-a-kind design. A little creativity and imagination in time for the weekend.
A brand new, well, sort of new, custom clutch. Of course, no one else will have this but you. And of course, it's your way to make a statement on a budget. If you like this story, please go ahead and check out some of the other fun projects on my page. I post brand new content weekly. On this episode of Let's Craft, I'm Shayla Reeves.